Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fix LinkedIn application crashing issue. If your LinkedIn application is consistently crashing, then there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the latest version of LinkedIn application installed on your device. So in order to do that, go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store. Go to the search box and type in LinkedIn and search. Once you see the application in the search result, simply tap on the update button if available. If you see open instead of update, that means your application is already up to date. Make sure to download the latest version of LinkedIn app now and then so that you can run the application smooth on your device. Once you are done updating the app, there should be no problem while operating it. But if the crashing issue still continues, the next thing to do is to check for a latest version update for your operating system. If your operating system is not up to date, then you might walk through these app crashing issues. So, go ahead and tap open Settings app from your device and from the Settings menu tap on General. Tap on Software Update from the list and then check for available update for your device. If there is an update available, tap on the Update Now button to update your device right away. If you want to schedule the update, you can tap on the Update Tonight option. Once you are done updating your operating system, you might be able to fix your issue. Make sure to allow necessary permissions such as camera, contacts, etc. on your LinkedIn application. If the problem still continues, consider reaching out to LinkedIn support for assistance and you might be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through LinkedIn application crashing problem. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.